welcome back to my channel. Ellie here. Today we are going to continue part 2 of my dividers in my planner. So as you guys know, I do have a pocket size print Prussian planner, and I'm going to be, well, I started creating a new setup for it. It's going to be a summer theme. I already made the dividers for it in part 1, so if you guys haven't checked out that video, be sure to go check it out. But these are the dividers that I created. They are so cute. I love how they turned out. I added the little tabs myself with my tab punch, which I'm obsessed with. Such a game changer. Absolutely love it. So we're going to start by doing some die cutting. I pulled out a few die cut pieces, or at least I thought I did. I gotta grab the other ones. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I have 3 die cut pieces that I'm going to use. Actually 4. I have this one. It's like a rectangular shape. It has like a nice stitching around the border. Then we have this one that has like the little diagonals on the 4 corners. You can use it either way, but I'm most likely going to use it this way. And then I have 2 little squares, a bigger one and then a smaller one. These are the kind that come with like different sizes. All of these are actually, and these are all like my go-to metal dies. I love using these for like dividers and just crafting in general. So whenever I'm, doing die cutting, I always like to use the pieces that I already like cut out. This is a great way to use up my paper. So as you can see, like I used these to start cutting my tab punch, so that's what I'm going to do. And then I always like to mix and match all of my patterns, so this is a fun way to do it. Alright you guys, so I have all of my little die cut pieces. I'm only doing 4 like I said, because I have a lot of other fun decor that I can use. I'm going to set these to the side. Alright, so here's what they look like. Very cute. Love them. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and bring my dividers over. I'm going to do one at a time. I'm going to go ahead and use some super fun washi tape.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Our bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. So let us dance this night away.
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright. There's something about the way you make me feel inside. I'm counting down the days till we fly away, heading to the sun, only you and me. Don't wanna waste another day being stuck here in this place. No, I wanna hold your hand in mine, watch the sunset in your eyes. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical. Whoa, whoa. This could be magical. Whoa, whoa. To escape, and here we are, driving narrow streets in a rusty car, leading to the sea. Think we're getting close. We should take a pic, baby, strike a pose. I remember every day that I spent right here with you. Yeah, you are the one who makes me feel as good as I do. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical. Whoa, whoa. This could be magical. Whoa, whoa.
I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy, energy. They taught me lows are what makes you feel so high. No matter how far my mind would wander, I'd always dare it to go even farther. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me.
And there we have it. Look at how cute that is. Divider number 4. I love it. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly pop it into my planner. Oh my gosh, I know I have a lot going on here. Oh, these are all so pretty. I really love how they turned out. So here's number 1. Here is number 2. Number 3, so fun. And then number 4. Absolutely gorgeous. So again, don't get intimidated when you have like tiny little planners and then, you know, think like, oh my god, I'm not going to be able to do much to it. Because trust me, you guys, you will find a way to do it. And I hope this does inspire you to create your own little dividers, because this is so much fun. It's just a fun way to keep your planner, you know, creative, and it's just a fun way to craft as well. So here we go. And then my last one. Okay, perfect. Look at that. It's so chunky. It's so cute. All right, so here we have number 1. Then we have number 2, number 3, and then number 4. So I think in the next video we're going to set up our pockets, and then I think I am going to make some new little clear ones. But for the moment, I think that's it, you guys. My video is already pretty long. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys had fun with me, and thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, definitely give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!